Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, November the 24th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, two regular puzzles, Sudoku medium and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And by the way, in this newspaper we have no extra Sudokus. So what I will do is to continue with the yesterday's newspaper. The additional I have not completed, so but that will be later on. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku number 3729. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 printed digits. Let me write it here. And for 27 printed digits, if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. How about 3 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. Now we have 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5 are missing. 1 and the 5, we see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 8. I see 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There, 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 9, need to wait. How about the 5 in this third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Alright. Then 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row, second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. Then 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8 is missing. 1 and an 8. Well, the 1 and the 8, I know one of these 3 boxes in this big square should be a 1. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. So we have an 8 in this first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no need to place for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Alright. Okay. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. Then. Let me think. How about? Yeah. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then how about this number in this column? 1 missing a number. We have here the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Find no 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9 again. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes, definitely a 1 star. And I enjoyed this puzzle. Medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last regular puzzle, Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye bye for now.